Okay, else?
Doug, you know, we often hear about Russ Montgomery's visits to elementary schools throughout northeastern Ohio. Well, today, Russ went to the library, which is probably a first.
Well, no, I have been to one or two libraries before, but it's the first time that I talked to Golden Agers at the library. This was the Cleveland Public, and they were sharp, they were flattering, they had good questions. They wanted to know if, in fact, Doug Adair is really as mean as he seems to be on the air. And naturally, you know how I feel about Doug. I said that was not true at all, that he was really a good person, and he was a fine, sweet fellow. And, you know, we're going to roast him.
Okay.
That's right, you know, on the 20th, which is the first day of spring.
Okay.
And I hope you get to come to that. It's going to be a lot of fun. Today, a crazy day across Ohio, as is so often the case in the springtime when we have cold air in the north, warm air in the south. We're going to have that situation again. I think we'll be on the warm side of the front, and I'll show you why in a moment. The low temperature today at 12:15 a.m., 15 minutes after midnight, was 37. The high this morning was 58. That occurred at 7 o'clock. We were for a brief time north of the front, or rather south of the front. That's right. 0.03 of an inch of rain in the past 24 hours. Current temperature 45 Fahrenheit, 7 Celsius. Relative humidity quite high at 97%. Barometric pressure 29.94 and falling. And the wind continues from the northeast at 6. It's stronger out on the lake and continues to pose a problem for the people along the lake in the western end of the lake. From Vermilion west, there's been a little light flooding up there as far as we can determine, and with the winds continuing for some hours from the northeast, there's likely to be a bit more flooding. Now across the state, 40s and 30s in the northern counties, 60s and 70s now in the southern part of the state. The front is running through the northern part of the state, just north of Mansfield. Showers and thunder showers in the northwest. They are coming our way and should be a factor in the Cleveland area within the next couple of hours. Overnight, you could see that although it was pretty clear down in the southeast, there was an awful lot of cloudiness through the northern states, and of course that included Ohio. I think we'll have a lot of cloudiness again tomorrow, because although we'll be on a different side of the front, we're still going to be so close to this front that we're going to have unstable weather with cloudiness. You'll see warm air in the south, cold air in the north. In fact, cold enough to create snow in many places from the Dakotas all the way, matter of fact, 5 to 10 inches up in new snow up in northern Michigan, snow up in New England, but showers and thunder showers along this front, the dividing line. And before the front drifts north of us later tonight, so that we'll be warm tomorrow, showers and thunder showers from the northwestern counties are headed our way. Now, in the forecast, it is not likely that we'll have the showers in the middle of the day tomorrow, coming back into the picture tomorrow night. So a mostly cloudy, warm day with rising temperatures tonight up into the mid-60s. It will be breezy tomorrow, southwesterly 10 to 20. The sunrise is 6:59, sets at 6:20, and in the 5-day forecast, what a mess. Mostly cloudy tomorrow and Thursday and Saturday, variable cloudiness Friday and Sunday, with the showers and thunder showers tonight, again tomorrow night and Thursday, Friday night and Saturday morning, and then again Sunday afternoon. 65 tomorrow, 55 Thursday, 52 Friday, 40 on Saturday, 45 on Sunday. So that's what we have to put up with at this time, but we're getting closer to spring, you know, and that's good.
And I thank you for those kind words today, and I'll have something kind to say about you at the roast.
I knew you would.
You can count on that.